Welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Have I got a great recipe for you today? Cook for You Too. Today I'm going to be doing the caviar of the South. And that's going to be a black-eyed pea salad. Now, they consider this the caviar of the South because this is like a delicacy. This is something that you have when you really want to have an elegant meal. And it's a Southern elegant meal. This is one of the side dishes that you would put on the table. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. For the dressing, you're going to need apple cider vinegar, olive oil, some sugar, salt, and pepper to taste. Now, for the actual salad, you're going to need red bell pepper, Roma tomatoes, celery, a de-seeded jalapeno pepper, red onion, cilantro, black beans, and you only need a half a can, and you want to drain that and rinse them off. You're going to need black-eyed peas. You want to drain that and rinse it off as well. You're going to need some kernel corn, and you're going to need cucumber. Now, you want to take out anything that has water in it because you don't want the salad to produce water. In the two ingredients that we're going to need down here that has water in it, you have water in your tomatoes and you have water in your cucumber. Now, I've already split this cucumber, and you're going to do the tomatoes the same way that you would do the cucumber in order to get the water out. So the only thing you're going to do is, you see where the seeds run down the center, then you're going to take your spoon and you're going to take that out. Real simple. Real easy to do. But if you can see a little bit of the water trying to drain up on my spoon. See it? See? That you don't want. So you want to take the water out of this. Now, I'm not going to peel this. I'm just going to slice it up and then put it into the salad. So I want to show you how to do this first because I'm going to go away. I'm going to get all of my vegetables washed and cut up. And then we're going to come back and put together this delicious salad. Now, I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm just going to dab it with the paper towel just to get the rest of the water out of it. And that's it. But you're going to do the tomato the identical same way. Just going to cut it in half and you're going to de-seed it. And that's going to give you a small amount of water, but it'll take it out of the salad. And that way, if you get ready to have it tomorrow, say you have leftovers, you won't wake up and you have all of your vegetables soggy and swimming in the juices that was left over from any of these items. So I'm going to go away, get everything together, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back and I'm ready to make the dressing for this salad. You're going to put equal parts of olive oil and apple cider vinegar. And as usual, your directions for doing this will be in the description box. Now, once you get equal parts of the apple cider vinegar and the olive oil, then you're going to add to that. I put a half a cup and a half a cup. So to that, I'm going to add 2 for every half a cup. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. Since I'm not using a regular spoon. Then you're going to pepper and salt to taste. So I'm going to add about 1/4 of pepper. And I'm going to add the same amount of salt. Okay. Once you get that done, and I have this in a shaker bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and just put the top down on it. Close it up. And then I'm going to shake. Now you can do this with a fork if you want to. Just put it in a bowl, do it with a fork, or you can put it in any type bottle with a cap on it, and then just go ahead and shake. Okay, now that my dressing is made, I'm going to sit that off to the side, and I'm going to put in my ingredients. In the bowl, I have my black beans. That's a half a cup or half a can. Then I'm going to put in all of my black-eyed peas. They were drained. They were rinsed off and they were drained. Going to put in my red bell pepper. To my red bell pepper, I'm going to add my celery and my red onions. To that, I'm going to go ahead, add in my cilantro. And my de-seeded jalapeno pepper. I'm going to toss that just a little bit, not a lot. Then I'm going to add to that my de-seeded cucumber. And with my de-seeded cucumber, I did not take off the peel or the hull. If you choose to do so, you can. Put that in. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in my corn. My corn has been drained as well. Or if you have that 1 minute bag, you can just go ahead and put in the 1 minute bag. Put it in the microwave, nuke it, and rinse it off and put it in. Okay, you see, and I think that's about bird's eye. But anyway, that's the way my salad looks so far. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my tomatoes. Stir this up. Now I'm going to put this in my refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to bring it back. And I'm going to dish up some. I'm going to stir this just a little bit longer. Or shake it just a little bit longer. You can taste this. I know that this is on point, but you can taste it if the need be for whatever else you may need to add to this. Now, if you notice, I didn't add any seasonings because I really didn't need to. And I mean as far as adding like maybe some oregano or some parsley or something like that, I didn't need to. So then I'm going to go ahead and put in my dressing. I'm going to stir this up. Smells delicious. Okay, this is my Caviar of Southern salads. And that's the pea salad right there. That's how it looks. I'm going to put it in my refrigerator for 30 minutes until I can fry up my chicken because that's what I'm serving it with. I'm going to bring you back and I'm going to dish you up a plate. I'll be right back. Okay, now I've dished up the salad and I hope you can hear me because I'm still frying chicken in the background. And that is the Southern Caviar. And it's definitely, I mean, it's a crowd pleaser. It's something I think that you're going to enjoy. And now on this plate that I'm in the background, you'll see it in just a minute. I am actually putting some down on. That's what it looks like. And on Saturdays, I don't cook a lot, if I cook at all. And today, this is a fast meal, but it's a good meal. I'm having fried chicken and southern caviar, which is black eyed pea salad. I think if you try this, you are truly going to enjoy it. Don't forget to hang out with us on the 21st of January, which is next week. I think that you're really going to have a whole lot of fun. And as always, thank you for watching Chris Cook for YouTube. Don't forget to share this video. Bye. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chris Cook for YouTube. And don't forget to share this video. Bye.